Welcome to my class admin. In this module, we'll see how we can create a question paper by using custom paper module. By using this module, you can create your own customized paper by many ways. First is by typing questions manually. Second way is by selecting questions from the question bank. Third way is you can add questions from the previous question papers. And the fourth way is you can bulk upload the questions from your Excel sheet. At the time of forming question paper, you can add the questions like MCQs, match the columns, and true or false. You can also add the images as well as equations by using equation editor. So let's start with this module. First, we will log in. On the left hand side bar, there is the option of paper setter. Then select custom paper. Here, click on create paper. Give a name to question paper. Enter the test heading. If you want to give negative marks, then provide the same in negative marks fraction. Provide number of hours and minutes for conducting the test and save. Now I will form a question paper by using all these four parts. Our first part is add question. Now select question type. I'm selecting MCQs. Select marks and question level. Here in the section of question, options and explanation, you can type the question, upload an image, or you can add the equation. I will give you one example. Here, type the question and upload image for the question. For the options, I am uploading an equation. Click here. Type the equation. Click on save. We'll follow this same process for other options also. Type the equation. And save. Choose the correct option. And always make this question public. When you make this question public, then people will be able to see this question. For the explanation, I am uploading an image. The students can see this explanation after the submission of their test paper. Click on save and close. Now I will upload the question of match the column. Select marks, question level, type the question, Enter the number of answers in column A and number of answers in column B. Now fill the column A. And fill the column B. And now select the correct answers. And click on Save and Close. This same process goes with the true or false. Select the question type, select marks and question level. You can type your question here and can select the correct option, whether it is true or false. Then you can click on Save and Close. Now our second part is question bank. From this question bank, you can select multiple questions and can add the same in your question paper. So click on question bank and select the course, subject and chapter and click on search. Now select any number of questions which you want to add in your question paper. And click on add button. Now we'll see our third part, previous question paper. In this part, you will be able to see all previously saved and published question papers. Click on the same. Now select the question paper and select the questions. Click on add. Now our last part is upload Excel. From this way, you can bulk upload the text type questions which are available in your Excel sheet. You can download an Excel sheet by clicking here in a given format. Here, make sure you do not delete any columns from your template. Write single question in a single line, and compulsory fields are questions, at least two options, and the correct option. Here you can type the questions which are in text format and save the file. I have already formed a sample Excel sheet. So now choose the file and upload it. So this is how our complete question paper is ready to print and distribute in just 5 minutes. And if you want to publish this question paper online, then see here below the paper setter there is the option of View Saved Paper. Select Custom Paper. Choose the date. From here, you can publish your custom paper. Thank you.